Yeah. Technically, stay in one spot. Yeah, boy, too stupid though. Yeah. You ain't gotta stay and watch me. I told him I'm alright. I got the phone in there. I call up. No, I'm not leaving. I'm not. But you can stay. Yeah, you can stay with me. I'm the watch out and all those fools.
You probably knocked out sleep.
Yeah. Lord, you better look at the watchman. Oh man, but you don't understand. I'm alright. I'm good. Yeah, I'll be feeling better. I tell him. Ooh, you will see for yourself.
Oh no.
No.
Better mind our business, man. You better tell her, man. You better mind our
Either
business.
you're in or you're out.
Is you in?
Yeah.
Is you?
I'm the one who sent her the message to start texting.
Who you paying for?
That's Saint T to give out tomorrow to her children.
What else?
You about to get these Snickers to them children?
Yeah, that's for them little children who come trick or treating.
Well, no, not these Snickers.
That's what I bought them for. Oh yeah, that's for the children. That's for my little grandbaby.
Exchange going.
Oh, a Snicker. I can't stand Snickers.
I love them things.
No, that's for the little children. That ain't for you.
Trying to get it.
No, indeed.
They ain't gonna miss out on nothing.
Yeah, it is too.
It's 5 Snickers, huh?
No, I don't know what it is. Well, I know I got the Snickers.
The candy she giving tomorrow.
This time you should have got them the cheap ones, not no Snickers.
That's for her grandchildren, boy.
She said for the trick or treater.
Well,
No, that they come and trick or treat here. They keep them from going to other people's houses. I'm scared of people pardon them children. Huh?
We got like 3 or 4 big old bags.
Who?
We just went to Walmart and got them. Like big old bags.
What I got to do with that? What I ain't got to do with you?
Huh?
That's for my grandbaby. I'm scared they're going out there trick or treating by people's house.
So she just bought a little something to get out.
I'm scared.
They got big bags.
Big old bags. This big. Like big bags.
Well, yeah, but they ain't had that in the Dollar Tree. I just got them like that.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Yeah.
So it's covered.
Huh?
It's covered. We just went and got that.
But no, but I do this every year. You understand?
I know.
So,
That's see, we didn't know if you was gonna be able to get that, so we went
who
and got
that?
that.
But I didn't know y'all was going to get that, so I went and got that.
So they got a whole lot extra.
They got pieces and everything.
Yeah, but no, he's big grown up talking about that. Don't get to the Snickers. He better get away from
No,
him.
I didn't want to bring it in.
Not him.
Hold up.
No,
I
him.
didn't want to bring it in because I know them
That's what I'm telling you.
was going to attack it. That's why it's still in the trunk. But we got like 4 big old bags like that. We just went and got it.
Well, these niggas talking don't get the children Snicker. Who? That's for the children. That's for the children. It's for the children.
We had to go back to old school or something. We gotta do.
See, they got 2 white pans up there. 2 white ones. One was for my Easter basket. One was your dad Easter basket.
She just recording now, just sitting there recording.
Eat.